Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You open the Google Docs app and sign in, then create a new document now. Tap the plus button to start a blank doc or pick a template that matches your purpose. Once done, make sure to name the file at the top so autosave organizes it. If you will work without internet, enable offline access in settings. This keeps edits local and syncs later. These first steps get you writing immediately and prevent lost work. You'll spend most time editing and formatting. Start by selecting text and using the toolbar for styles, headings, bold, and lists. Once comfortable, add images or a table via insert to present data clearly. To collaborate, tap Share, invite people, and choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. This controls who can change content. When others comment, reply inline to keep context. Also, check page setup for margins and orientation, so the final file prints correctly. You finalize by reviewing suggested edits and accepting or rejecting each change so the document reads cleanly. Then use version history to confirm the right draft or restore an earlier state if needed. When ready to share outside Google, download as Word or PDF from the menu. If the app won't sync, try toggling offline mode and reconnecting. That forces a resync. If problems persist, sign out and back in. This resets credentials and usually resolves stubborn sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.